Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this simple pot holder. It's made with cotton yarn and a 3mm crochet hook. This project is perfect if you want to practice your tension. If you think a pot holder is something that you need in your home or you want to make it for someone, then follow my video. In the meantime, subscribe to my channel and leave your thumb up, as well as follow me on Instagram and TikTok, links in the description box. So we will start our project with a knot and chain 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 45 chains and we will start round number 1. We will start round number 1 in the second chain from the hook, and we will make one single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And now we will make one single crochet into each chain until end of your chain. So make one single crochet into each chain until you finish your chain. And as you can see, last chain left, so I am making my last single crochet. And now we will make one single crochet into each chain in the back way. So now you will make one single crochet into the same chain, like that, and into the next chain. So that's why it's the round, not row, because we are going around this chain. So make one single crochet into each chain until the end of this round. Okay, so last chain left, and now we will start row number 2. So we will chain 1. Before you start round number 2, you need to know 2 things. First thing is the first stitch is not really your first stitch, it's chain 1. This is your first stitch. And second thing, from now on you will work in the back loops only. So you can see back and front loops, you will ignore front loops completely. You will work only in the back loops. So once again, skip this chain 1 and go directly to the first stitch and work in the back loops only. And make one single crochet into each stitch all around. Repeat round number 2 until the height of your work matches its width. In other words, until you achieve a shape that resembles a square. And remember, all the time when you finish all round, chain 1 and then skip next chain 1. It's not a stitch, it's chain 1. You can place a stitch marker here to not confuse it with a stitch. So it's really helpful. So continue until you reach the square shape. Okay, I have done my square. As you can see, it looks like a square. Now we should close our top edge. We will make it with our crochet hook, but if you prefer, you can make it with your tapestry needle. Okay, move the loop from one side to the other side. And now insert your hook into the back loop from one side and then into the back loop of the corresponding stitch on the other side. You have 3 loops on your hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And next stitch. So again, insert your hook into the back loop. Then insert your hook into the back loop in the other side as well. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And continue until you close a whole top edge. Remember to not skip any stitch because it might be really noticeable. Okay, the top edge is closed. Now the last thing left is a loop. The size of your loop depends on your preferences, so let's try. I will make first 12 chains. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, I think this loop is too small for me. I'm gonna make 10 extra chains. Yeah, it's almost good. I will chain extra 2 chains. You can chain more to get bigger loop, or you can chain less for smaller loop. When you finish slip stitch under your first chain, leave a longer tail for sewing and cut your yarn. Then hide your tail inside, and that's it. Your pot holder is done. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please leave thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye!